took over a company in 2008. We doubled in size, so we went from 4 million cases to 8 million cases. And we knew we had to come up with a solution. So the solution was to find a new facility. We fell on the site in Cicero, and we were looking to be a little bit more efficient, so we looked at using a crane system to utilize that space.
The Westfalia system holds about 1.3 million cases, and because of the depth and the height that we're allowed to stack pallets on, it only needs a third of the space of a conventional warehouse.
A normal warehouse can stack 3 pallets on top of each other. In this system, you can stack 5 high. Now, we could have went higher, but we wanted to keep very close to a more conventional building. Being 42 feet is still not what you would say a conventional building, but you can see we utilized every airspace that we can. So just imagine if we didn't have this system, this building would be close to 1 million square feet.
The Westfalia piece is run on their software called Savannah.net, and that pretty much takes all the pallets and keeps track of them as they come into the system. It reads the barcode and then decides where it needs to go within the warehouse. It keeps track of it by date, by LPN, by SKU, and you really don't have to worry about it. As long as you've got it set up correctly, it's going to pull it. You're not relying on a human being to actually interact and do that work. I mean, this is all, you're talking back and forth. If you got it set up, it's going to work.
It's automated to go and replenish locations, so we didn't have to send a message out to one of our pickers to go out, go get a pallet, which then takes him time to drive to the back of the warehouse, bring it forward. Here it's right in the same vicinity. It gets there quickly. It keeps us flowing. It keeps our cases flowing much quicker than they would be if we were using, the human element to bring those cases to the forefront. We put the plans out there and it just flies through them.
It moves the pallets and it gets them to the locations, and it's quick.
The thing is, you go in, you bring in a vendor, and it's a business relationship. And with these guys that we worked with from Westfalia, it became a partnership. They're just invested in seeing us be very successful as we want to be successful. They've put a lot of time and sweat and tears into what we're doing as much as we did. And we made this thing what it is today.
They were a big help. They were here with us from the beginning. I mean, they stuck it out with us and made sure we had the right tools to get the job done.